Welcome to the mortgage rate market update for the week of June 11, 2018. Hello, I'm John Thomas with Primary Residential Mortgage here to give you an update. Well, last week we did see mortgage rates move slightly higher. Take a look at the bond chart on the screen. You can see mortgage bonds reached their high back near the end of May, which moved mortgage interest rates to almost the lows for the year. But since then, we failed to break above a tough ceiling of resistance, turned mortgage bonds lower, as you can see, and the trend has been for bonds to sell off. So this week, we sold off, ended the week right at the 25-day moving average. The technical signals are not great for that, for us to try and bounce higher. So with the technicals not looking very good, we're going to recommend locking your mortgage interest rate to start the week. Take advantage of whatever rate you got, because the technicals are bad. We would need a good bounce off the 25-day moving average to move higher. Because if they break through the 25-day moving average, they got a long way to run down before we get to a floor of support. So go ahead, lock in your interest rate to start the week. Now, if we dig into economic news, we saw the jobs report for May 2018 released. It showed 233,000 jobs created. That was a very strong number, above the 190,000 expected. The average number of jobs created for the last 3 months was 179,000. The unemployment rate for May 2018 dropped to 3.8%, which is the lowest since April of 2000. And then we saw in May the average hourly earnings increased by 0.3%, and the total unemployment rate, which they call the U6, fell to 7.6% in May, which is the lowest in 17 years. So a very strong labor report from coming out on the jobs report there. It looks very strong for the economy. Weekly initial jobless claims came out on Thursday, and they showed 222,000 claims, which was down 1,000 from the previous week. And remember, initial claims measures the number of people filing for first-time unemployment benefits. So this report shows that businesses are still trying to hold on to their employees, or not letting people go. Very strong labor market. It's tough to find good employees right now. That's why the jobless claims is down. Now, in housing news, we saw CoreLogic home price index for April 2018 showed home prices were up 6.9% from the previous April, and we're up 1.8% from May. The big impetus here is limited inventory of homes for sale continues to push home prices higher. Now, CoreLogic's predicting home price to increase 5.3% from April of 2018 to April of 2019, and sees a slight improvement in inventory levels coming into 2019. So we'll see if that pans out. We saw pending home sales for April 2018 were down 1.3% on the index to 106.4 from 107.8 in March. Again, limited inventory levels is what's to blame. Continues to affect pending home sales. There are home buyers looking to purchase, but are being held back by a lack of inventory to support the demand. Now, pending home sales are actually down 2.3% from April of 2017, which again is all because of this trend of lower inventory. So if you're looking to buy, get out there, you find the home, you don't have time to think about it. You got to know what you want, so if you find it, you got to be ready to write an offer. Now, we also saw the Department of Veteran Affairs is cracking down on predatory lending, targeting veterans applying for VA loans. So lenders will no longer be able to solicit veterans that get a loan right away. They have to wait at least 7 months and 6 payments. So the process was called loan churning. A veteran loan would close, and these predatory lenders would hit them up for refinances to lower their rate, but they were really charging them these high fees they were rolling into the loan. So it wasn't that much of a benefit to a veteran. Now there's some new guidelines in place to protect veterans on that case. Now, in the local news, we've got the next first-time homebuyer seminar this Saturday, June 16th, from 10 a.m. to noon in Newark, Delaware at the Christiana Hilton Hotel. You can register for that event by giving us a call in the office 302-703-0727 or online www.delawarehomebuyerseminar.com. Now, if you're looking to get approved for a mortgage, VA, FHA, USDA, conventional, reverse, whatever it is, we would love to take care of you. Feel free to give us a call at 302-703-0727, or you can get started online, PRMIloanapplication.com. Look forward to seeing you guys next week.